Hi everyone, welcome to techie-review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Dell Latitude 5400. Now the spec of the laptop we're looking at today is an Intel Core i5 CPU at 1.6 GHz, and that will turbo up to 4.1. Comes with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB SSD and a 14-inch 1080p Full HD display. Looking along the left side of the laptop, we start with power to the laptop, USB Type-C, which also acts as a display port, USB 3.1, air vents for the CPU, and a smart card reader. There are no ports or any connectors on the back of the laptop. Then moving round to the left of the laptop, we start with SD card reader, headphone jack, 2 USB 3 ports, HDMI, network port, and also a Kingston lock. On the front of the laptop we've just got the hard disk indicator, and that is it for ports around the laptop. Okay, opening the laptop, there are no latches. It is just a soft open and close. Inside the laptop we find the trackpad, which has got 2 buttons at the bottom, and then we have 3 buttons along the top. The keyboard has a nice feel to it and is quite evenly spaced out. And at the top right we have the power button for the laptop. The webcam located on this laptop is at the top of the display. Now it has a physical privacy shield should you be concerned that somebody might be spying on you. Finally, I wanted to run PC Mark 10 to give you an idea of performance, and as you can see we've got a score of 3,248. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up, and also hitting that notification bell to get notified of any new videos. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them below and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you all next time.